Physio massage gun, the perfect gym recovery tool. Bought by Anna, who's not been to the gym in years.
So we divide the dough.
Don't get ideas. Hey everyone, it's Adam here from Vegan Food and Fitness. Welcome back to my channel. I do lots of different kinds of recipes. I just wanted to say, I know it's been a while, well, it's been about 2 weeks since I last recorded a video and uploaded it. Reason being, my iMac decided to just stop working basically. Then the week after, it was Anna's 30th birthday, and that required about a week's planning. When you're in lockdown and there's not really like that much to actually do, I needed to really get creative, so that's what took up a lot of my time. But I am back now 100%, and I have got a great recipe today. This is basically a homemade pizza recipe. Although there's a bit of effort to it, it is well worth it completely. It's really, really great making your own homemade pizza. You're in charge of exactly what toppings you use. I have actually teamed up with Seitan on this video, and I'm gonna be using some of their seitan as a topping. It just kind of makes the pizza a bit meatier. If you're a former meat eater and you wanted to you know, experiment with something a bit similar without obviously harming animals, it's a great alternative, so definitely recommend it. So if you haven't already subscribed, make sure you subscribe for plenty of my future recipe videos as well. So yeah, let's get started.
I am jewelryless, my hands are all clean.
When does it get satisfying?
When I'm eating it. Oh yes, that's really satisfying.
Oh yeah, it's like when you put your foot in snow.
Yeah,
you step in
it's
snow.
like deep clean snow, I call it.
Oh, give it a punch.
Oh yes.
That's it. So we're bashing out the air now, and we're going to tip it onto a floured surface. Where's the flour then?
Oh sorry, I tidied.
Gonna get some flour, put it onto the surface, and then just knead again for about 1 to 2 minutes.
Tell everyone what happened.
I had an accident. We may have to invest in a new scales.
Did you have a fight with the scales?
It still works though.
The scales lost.
Ah, it still works. Work that dough.
I got 5 on it.
Oh, you should give up your day job.
I got 5 on it. I think we are good to go.
So what's happening next?
So we have to divide the mixture.
Into how many?
We need one of those dough Nice. I don't know.
That would look really professional, wouldn't it?
Yeah. So we divide the dough.
Don't get ideas. Firm. And then we're going to put 2 of the parts into separate freezer bags. Yeah, I mean, typically, like, from this recipe, you can make 4 balls, and that makes, obviously, 4 different bases, but we've always thought about doubling the recipe, so you can make 8, and we don't have to go through the whole kneading process again.
Okay, I think they're equal.
Cool. Do you want to play with a lime? Oh. And here's the other one, coming to investigate. You had a margarita. She makes the best margaritas, I swear. One of these days we'll definitely share our margarita recipe with you. I promise. That is it from this video. As I say, it's such an incredible, fun activity that you can definitely do in terms of you choosing the toppings, choosing like the size of how you want the base to be, and the smells. It all is just really, really good. So I really hope you enjoy this recipe. Let me know in the comments what you would add as a topping to your pizzas. What are the most unusual toppings that you've come across as well? I'd really love to hear. If you really enjoyed this video, please hit the like button as well. It helps others find the video and the channel. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my future recipe videos. It's been really great being back and filming in this kitchen and enjoying great food. And I hope to see you all very soon. Speak soon. Take care. Bye-bye. You enjoying yourself?
Yeah. Down a bit. That's on my bow.
I'm sorry. Sorry.
Oh yes.
Is that okay?
Yeah.
You know, I've never heard those noises before.